Hello, 5th grade scientists. Welcome to Unit 3, Hurricanes. You should have your student reader out and be ready to follow along as we read pages 4 through 9. Salt water versus fresh water. Main ideas. Water is found in different forms throughout Earth. Salt water has different properties than fresh water. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection are the 4 steps of the water cycle. Why is the ocean salty? The global ocean is the body of water that covers 71% of Earth's surface. It is divided into 5 parts: the Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Indian, and Southern Oceans. The oceans contain 97% of the world's total water, but it isn't safe for humans to drink because the water is mixed with salt. The oceans are salty because they collect all of the water on Earth. As water flows down rivers and streams, it erodes minerals and salts from rock. All rivers flow to the oceans where they drop off these particles. Where is water found on Earth? Water is a molecule that is made up of 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen atoms. All living things need water to live. Earth is the only planet in our solar system where water molecules can be found as solid ice, liquid water, and water vapor gas. Earth is sometimes called the Goldilocks planet because it is not too cold and not too hot. Most of Earth's water is liquid salt water found in the oceans. Fresh water is water that does not contain salt. Only about 3% of water on Earth is fresh water. Most of Earth's fresh water is stored in glaciers. Glaciers are large masses of solid ice that form when snow is pressed together near the North and South poles. Fresh water also makes up most groundwater, which is water stored underground and in soil and rocks. A tiny percentage of the planet's fresh water can be found as ice or rainwater, as well as in lakes or reservoirs. This is the water that humans drink. In the know, water on Earth. Earth is a wet planet. Water can be found in the ground, in the air, and in living things. Below are sources of water. Please look carefully at the following pictures and their captions. Isn't it amazing that most of our water is undrinkable? What is the water cycle? Water can be found in many different places because of the water cycle. The water cycle has 4 steps. Evaporation is the process of liquid water changing into water vapor, its gas state. Evaporation is caused by heat energy from the sun. Water from puddles, glaciers, the ocean, droplets on plants, etc. evaporates into the atmosphere. Salt does not evaporate with water, so all water vapor is fresh water. Condensation is the process of water vapor changing into liquid water. Water vapor loses heat energy as it moves higher in the atmosphere and condenses into clouds or fog as soon as the atmosphere gets too cold to keep water molecules in the gas state. Precipitation is water falling back to Earth in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. To form water droplets, rain, condensing water vapor molecules need to stick to dirt, dust, or other particles in our atmosphere and build up as clouds. When clouds of water droplets become too heavy with water, whole droplets fall to the earth as precipitation. Collection describes what happens to precipitation after it falls back down to Earth. The water may return to the rivers, lakes, oceans, and reservoirs. The water may also soak into the soil to become groundwater. The water cycle and the movement of air molecules in the atmosphere are what cause most of the weather we experience on Earth's surface. Countries located near the equator and close to the ocean have high evaporation rates, making their climate rainy and humid. Snow falls in places that have moisture in the air and low temperatures. Please review Section 1. Try this on your own. You may find an extra credit choice to research, write, or experiment about. If you do, be sure to share your conclusions with your science teacher.